Greetings to all. Myself, Sonal Kator from Class 8th. Today, I am presenting a presentation on artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines, enabling them to perform tasks that typically requires human-like intelligence, such as learning, problem-solving, reasoning, perception, and understanding languages. Examples of AI in action. Number 1. Virtual Assistant. Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa use natural language processing to understand voice commands and respond accordingly. Number 2. Image recognition feature. Google Photos ability to identify objects and people in images demonstrate AI-powered computer vision. Number 3. Self-driving cars. Companies like Waymo and Tesla use AI to enable vehicles to navigate roads, to detect obstacles and make decisions in real time. Number 4. Chatbots. Customer service chatbots like those used by banks and e-commerce sites to understand and respond customer inquiries. Number 5. Personalized recommendations. Online platforms like Amazon and Netflix use AI to suggest movies and products based on user behavior. Number 6. Gaming. AI is used to create realistic non-player character behavior, adaptive difficulty levels, and personalized gaming experiences. Artificial intelligence has vast potential and raises important concerns. Here are some of the main points to consider. Number 1. Automation and efficiency. AI can automate repetitive tasks, freeing humans to focus on creative and strategic work. Number 2. Data analysis and insight. AI can automate vast amount of data by providing valuable insights and patterns. Number 3. Improved decision making. AI can support informed decision making by analyzing data and predicting outcomes. Number 4. Healthcare advancements. AI can aid in medical diagnosis, personalized treatment, and drug discovery. Now, concerns and their mitigating concerns. First concern is job displacement. It is the concern that AI may automate jobs, that is, displacing workers. This concern can be solved if people focus how to adjust themselves with technology rather than to lose their job. Second concern is privacy and surveillance. AI systems often require large data sets for their training, which can lead to using copyrighted materials without authorization, means data misuse and lack of consent. As revealed by IAPP Privacy and Consumer Trust Report 2023, 57% of consumers globally agree that AI poses a significant threat to their privacy. According to Pew Research Center survey, 52% of consumers think they are more concerned than excited. This concern can be reduced to establishing guidelines and regulations to ensure AI safety and accountability. Key principles to ensure accountability in AI systems. Number 1. Establish clear goals and performance metrics. Number 2. Prioritize fairness and transparency by design. Number 3. Continuously monitor and audit performance. Number 4. Implement mechanism for oversight and control. Third concern is bias and discrimination. AI system can cause mistaken idea if trained on biased data. To overcome this, make sure that the data used to train the algorithms itself free of bias and bring the bias to humans' attention. Fourth concern is security risk. Means AI can be easily make cyber attacks and data breaches. To prevent this concern, network of security solutions are designed. These solutions include data loss prevention, identify access management, network access control, etc. applications. Next concern is existential risks. Some experts worry about the potential of super intelligent AI to form an existential risk to human civilization. And example, nuclear war pandemic, collapse of human civilization, etc. To overcome this, we have to encourage responsible AI. Means it is framework of according to 6 principles: fairness, reliability and safety, privacy and security, inclusiveness, transparency, and accountability. Thanks and have a marvelous time.